Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a community member by the name of Liz. Now Liz is a repeat requester. Apparently we helped Liz out about a year ago with another project. And so Liz writes, hello, hi Liz. Thank you so much for the tutorial on the bird cage willow centerpiece. You are so talented. Thanks, Liz. It was more than I ever imagined or thought I could ever make myself. Oh, that makes me feel so good. You make it so easy. Yes. I felt overwhelmed, and now that I can save a lot of money making that centerpiece, I can't wait to share a picture of my finished project. I can't wait to see it, Liz. I was wondering if you could show me how to make the first floral arrangement that will greet the guests as they look for their seating place cards. So seating placement cards, there we go. Also, could you share a list where to purchase supplies without spending a whole lot? All right, well guess what, Liz? Not only are we going to show you how to put this beautiful, pretty and pink extra large centerpiece together, don't worry, all of the links to the supplies are going to be right below in the description. Just click on that upside down triangle and all the information is right there at your fingertips. I had so much fun creating this. I even had a lot more fun even doing the bonus. The bonus at the end of the tutorial, it's going to really give you guys some insight into how planners make things look so elegant, and you're not going to believe how easy it is. So not only do you get this wonderful pretty and pink centerpiece, you will also have an opportunity to click on another free bonus clip at the end. So don't forget it. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this week's episode, Pretty and Pink Extra Large Centerpiece. Let's go. So to prepare our base, we're going to use our 1.5-inch PVC pipe. We're going to go ahead and spray paint it chocolate brown so it can be camouflaged in our centerpiece. Next, we're going to need 2 foam discs to add extra support. We're just going to trace our rim of our PVC pipe onto the foam disc so we can cut it out. This is going to stabilize our tree trunk and make sure that it does not move anywhere. So you're going to use 1 4 to 5-inch disc and 1 6-inch disc. And it's actually like 4.87897, something like that. So basically 5 inches. So once you have traced the diameter of the PVC pipe, you're going to go ahead and take your foam cutter and cut out that center circle so it can be ready to go into our floral pot. Because of the size of this centerpiece, it's very important that we make sure that the base is stable. So we're going to do that by first adding our 5-inch foam disc to the bottom on that little bottom rim in our floral pot. We're going to put our PVC pipe right in our hole that we cut out and add the river rock around it. Be sure to hold your pipe, making sure that it's level, and add your river rock around it, spreading it out evenly. Once you've filled it to about 1.5 inches to the rim, you're going to then add your second foam disc, the 6-inch disc, right on top, and it should fit nice and snug. Once you do that, go ahead and seal the edge with some hot glue, and everything should be just about stable as you want to. But we're going to do one more thing just to make sure. For extra added stability, we're going to then fill the PVC pipe about a quarter of the way up with more river rock. This will make sure that whether you're using this centerpiece in an outside venue or an inside venue, it is not going anywhere. Next, we're going to add our natural willow branches just by simply inserting them into the foam disc and then securing them onto your PVC pipe with a simple piece of floral wire. Green floral wire will do, very simple, and just continue it until it's completely covering the PVC pipe. Once your pipe is completely covered, you're going to trim off the excess willow branches at the top, leaving about 1 inch of your PVC pipe free so that you can attach your 10-inch foam ball. Once you've given your hot glue about 10 minutes to set up, you're ready for the next step, which is to take 24 gauge floral wire, curve it at one end, creating a hook, and then you're going to simply insert them into the foam ball. Now, I'm inserting my hooks at different depths in order to give my hanging balls some character, so they're not all at the same length. You give it some depth and some character. So just take your time. I'm attaching 8. You can attach 9, 10, 12, whatever you're more comfortable with. And notice that I'm actually putting them at different heights also. Now I'm using 1.5 to 2 inch terrarium balls, the smaller ones, because I just wanted them to look more delicate. If you want to use the larger ones, by all means use the larger ones. I simply am going to take a petal from my hydrangea bush that I have, and I'm going to use one of my LED tea lights. Again, don't worry about all the supplies. They're all in the description below. And then simply take some fishing wire that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take and string my terrarium ball, and I'm using about 24 inches of fishing wire. You can make it shorter, longer. I typically do the same length because with me putting the hooks at different heights and different depths, it'll create a staggered look naturally. So just double tie it. I always double knot it at the top. Go ahead and add your hydrangea blossom and your LED tea light, and that's it, guys. Just that simple, and you're ready to hang them. So to complete the base, we're going to trim out the edge with just some moss. Now all I did was attach it with a little hot glue, and I had some of it hang over the edge so it will look like the moss is actually growing out of the pot. Then from there, we're going to attach 3 to 4 small hydrangea blossoms, a couple of roses, and then some more sprigs of our pink wildflowers. And it's basically you're just bringing the same accent flowers right down to the bottom so it looks as if the flowers are growing all the way up your tree branch. Well, Liz, this centerpiece will absolutely wow your guests as they come in to look for their seating placement cards. I love how it turned out, and I hope you do too. Now, I would not necessarily recommend this centerpiece for just your regular dining table where your guests will be eating, because it is extra large. Like I said, when it's all said and done, it stands about 3.5 feet tall and anywhere from 2.5 feet to 3 feet wide at its widest point. So it can be quite cumbersome for your guests to try to look around it to see all the activities and festivities at your reception. But it is wonderful as a focal point to a place setting card table, or a gift table, or even a sweets table. I've seen where they've made a tree like this and they've hung actual different sweets from the tree. Super, super cool idea. So if you're using it like that, I definitely recommend it. If you like this video, please, by all means, like us. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. We love your comments. We love your words of encouragement. And we just are so excited when we see you post your projects there. So excited to see how you guys have taken the plan and you've made it your own. Now, don't forget, go ahead and click on that icon in the corner and you can have access to our free bonus clip. Remember guys, I'm doing little bonus clips just to enhance the weekly projects. All of the bonus clips will enhance that particular project, just making it even better than you could have imagined. And so I'm excited about this week's bonus clip. It's all about those place cards. I'm going to show you some good tips, some things to do to turn your place cards into a fancy affair. Well, don't forget, all the links to the supplies are right here below, right in the description right below. Just click on that upside down triangle and everything is there right at your fingertips. Also remember, not only do we have the links to all of the supplies, we also have links to our Ebates offer. Remember, Ebates is an awesome way that you can shop and they pay you to do it. It's absolutely free. So click on the Ebates because we're all about saving you money. In addition to that, you have the links to our newsletter. Please go ahead and click on that. We cannot put all the information we have for you guys in our weekly tutorial videos. So if you click on that newsletter, you'll have all of our blog posts, all of this extra information, these coupon offers, just different things that will just help you to make the most out of every single penny. Also, there's a link to submit your project request. Just click on that link for project request. It'll get you right over to the tab and follow the very easy steps. Now, please do it fast because our production schedule fills up like, it's amazing. It fills up so fast. And we hate telling anybody no. So be sure to give us at least 6 months to a year in advance of your event, and that'll give you a better chance of making it onto our production schedule. So with all of that being said, again, don't forget that bonus clip. Just click on that little icon in the corner and it'll take you right there to that free bonus clip on our website. And with all of that said, always remember guys, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.